So I'm Chris Mason with FrameZERO Custom Cabinetry. We're based out of Huntsville, Alabama, and we specialize in a European style cabinetry. And so we're very thankful for Häfele. We utilize them for almost all of our fasteners. We like to utilize the AXILO leg levelers. I think that they are the greatest leg leveler that's ever been created. Nothing compares with the tool. And if you know anything about European style cabinetry, it's very important to use the right tools and accessories. And so the AXILO has been phenomenal for us. We also started using the new progressive slides from Silice. When it comes to push to open mechanisms for drawers, there's literally nothing better. It's so simple, and when you're trying to accomplish a modern design, you have to have the best working hardware. And we have really found that with the Silice product. And decorative hardware and all of our accessories. The online ordering system is amazing with Häfele. Typically when I place an order, that's packaged and shipped the same day. And with our customer account, we're able to track things. There's a QR code that we can use that we can put on our Kanban system, where when we are running low on supplies, my employees can scan the QR code and it loads it into our cart, and we know what we need to order. All of those little things saves us time, which saves us money, and gives us a better product to deliver to our clients. And so we're very thankful for all the things that we get from Häfele and the partnership that we have with them.